Imagine spilling your morning coffee all over your brand new MacBook Pro. Your work, projects, and digital life seemingly ruined in an instant. Hi, it's Mike at Payam Data Recovery, where I recently witnessed their expertise firsthand as their skilled recovery engineer, Wei, tackled what seemed like a hopeless case, a severely liquid damaged 2023 MacBook Pro. The customer brought in their 16-inch A2991 MacBook Pro, a relatively new and expensive machine. When Wei opened it up, he discovered something shocking. The motherboard was completely dead, with what appeared to be bug debris scattered throughout the internal components. Wei carefully removed the motherboard and connected it to a DC power supply for diagnosis. Instead of drawing the expected 20 volts, the system was only pulling 5 volts with erratic current fluctuations, a clear indication of a short circuit somewhere on the board. Taking advantage of Payam Data's extensive range of specialized diagnostic tools, Wei placed the motherboard under a thermal camera while connected to the power supply. This revealed the exact location of the short circuit. It was occurring on one of the main power relays along the 12-volt line. The thermal imaging pinpointed a capacitor that had been corroded by the liquid damage and debris contamination. This single component failure was preventing the entire laptop from functioning properly. With surgical precision, Wei removed the damaged capacitor and replaced it with a new component. The moment of truth arrived. The MacBook powered on successfully, fully restored to working condition. Our devices hold our entire digital lives, and when they fail, it feels devastating. But with the right expertise, even cases that seem hopeless can be successfully recovered. Thanks for watching.